Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a furniture website with Wix. When it comes to making websites, Wix will definitely be your first option, as not only can you get started for free without a credit card, but it is also very user friendly. All you'll need to do is go onto Wix and sign up using your email address. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page, and all you'll need to do is tap on create new site. After you have tapped on create new site, you will be led to this page, and from here all I want you to do is simply type in furniture right here. Then you will see a few options: furniture manufacturer, furniture store, furniture maker, or furniture wholesaler. For this example, I'm going to simply tap on furniture store. Then I'm going to tap on next. After you have done that, you'll be asked to enter the name of the website, so you can add in your name right there. Then you're going to tap on next. After tapping on next, you'll be led to this page on which you can choose the apps or the features that you'd like to have on your furniture website. So for example, you can see chat, which would be good so that customers can relate with you if they have any discrepancies or so on. You'll be able to talk to them. You can also create forms. So for example, you can create subscription forms or payment forms. And also, more than likely, you will need some form of social media to promote your furniture or so on. So you'll need to add your Instagram feed, as you can see right there. And also you could add a blog. And also you can add other features if you want, any one of these features if you want. So all you'll have to do is tap on the particular feature that you want to add, as you can see right there. After you're finished, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. And from here, I would recommend that you tap on begin with a template. After tapping on begin with a template, you can see other furniture store templates that you can choose from. So you can see the different options right here. And I'm going to go with the first option, so I'm going to simply tap on edit. Once you have tapped on edit, a new page will open up, and you can see the Wix editor preparing your template, right? I want you to pay attention to a few things. For example, you will see the option add elements. If we were to tap on that, from there you'll be able to add text, images, or anything overall that you would like to add to your website. Another thing that you can also pay attention to is the third icon from the top left hand corner, which says pages and menu. And you can see all of the pages that are currently on my website right here. And if you would like to add a new page, all you would have to do is tap on add page. But now that our website has been created, let's scroll down and we can see how it looks at the moment. You can see how the home page looks right here. And all you'll have to do now is simply go through each product or each page. So let's say, for example, I want to edit the best sellers, as you can see right here. All I would have to do is tap on the section. Then you will see the option manage products. I'm going to tap on that. After you have tapped on manage products, you will be led to a new page on which you can start adding your own furniture or your own products to that page so that it will be shown on your website. As you can see here, I'm now on the product page. So all you'll have to do is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on new product. Once you have tapped on new product, you're going to tap on physical product. After you have selected physical product, you'll now be able to add photos and information on the different furnitures that you plan on promoting and selling on your website. So for example, all you'll need to do is quickly scroll down. You could tap on add images. If you have a video, you can tap on add video. Then from there you'll scroll down and you'll fill in the basic information. For example, if you are selling a whatnot or a dresser, you'll simply put it in right there. Then you could add a quick description if you want, and you can also add the pricing right here, so customers can know how much for that particular item. You could add the price right there. And after you have added the price, if you would like to add any other form of information, you can simply tap on custom text field right there. So if you have any little specific thing that you would like to describe or so on, you could add it right there. And also with Wix, you'll be able to track your inventory right here by simply toggling this on. And you can also add other options by tapping on add options right there. So you can be able to add the size or different variants or so on. And you can also allow pre-order, which would be more than likely available in a furniture store. Some of the time there will be items that you may have created in the past that you don't have at the moment, and you would like persons to still be able to see that particular item and order it, so you could set up pre-orders and so on. And once you are finished, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. And another thing that you could also do, you could set up payments, so you could receive payments online by going over to the left hand menu option. And from here, all you'll have to do is simply scroll down. So you'll scroll down, let me show you how to do it, till you see bills and payments. Then you are going to tap on payments. After tapping on payments, you'll be led to this page on which you can choose the payment options that you would like to use. So you are going to tap on manage payment methods. Then, for example, you'll be able to add PayPal, or you can add CXPay or so on. And depending on where you're located, more than likely you will have more payment options. And you can also tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner to see more options, as you can see right there. Once you have set up your payment options and so on, all you'll need to do now is go back over to the left hand menu option again, and from here, right where you see marketing and SEO, if you would like to create a logo or so on, you could tap on their logo maker right there, and you'll be able to make a logo for your new website or business. And also, if you would like to add anything else, for example, if you would like to add your store address and that type of information, you can quickly do that from the left hand column menu option right here. There are numerous options. For example, if I were to tap on home, you can see more details of how you can be able to set this up. So as you can see right here, as I showed you earlier, first add your product, then you'll be able to set up payment methods, and you can also set up your shipping and delivery. Once you have set up your shipping and delivery and you are finished editing your website, which I will show you more on how to edit your website, you will be ready to now publish your website. But now let us go back to editing your website. So all you'll need to do is simply close out of this, and you can see your website right here. And as I showed you earlier, how to add products, and if you want to edit any particular section of the website, all you have to do is tap on that particular section. Then you will see the option to edit, so you can change the text box. I could change the container box right here, and I can change this button right here. All you have to do is tap on the particular button. Then you'll see the option to change text. You can change the color or design if you want by tapping on design right there. So I could choose a different button style, as you can see right here. There are numerous button styles you can choose from. And that is it with Wix. It is very easy to customize. And again, if you would like to add more pages, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on pages and menu, and then from there you could tap on add page. But let's see how the rugs page look. So I'll tap on rugs, as we have seen how the home page look. Now let me show you a particular page on the website, how it looks. So you can see the rugs page right here by scrolling down. You can see the different products, and again you can see the price. And remember, these would be your products, and you will be able to edit the price, and persons can also go on it and complete a purchase, and you'll be able to receive your money via PayPal or whichever payment method you had chosen. And here would be your business address. And again, as you can see, once I hover over the footer section, you can see quick edit. All I have to do is simply tap on that. Then I will see the menu option in the right hand corner. And from here, you can change the column background as you can see right there. You can also change the newsletter or remove the newsletter if you want. So you can see again, as I said, it is quite easy to edit a Wix website. And right here is where you'd put your address. Once they are finished, you can tap on preview in the top right hand corner to see how your website currently looks. So let me tap on preview in the top right hand corner so you can see how the rugs page look. You can see right there, it looks very clean and professional. And if it is to your liking, all you'll have to do is tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to publish your new furniture website for completely free using Wix. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.